Hey guys, what's up? We're all a bit exhausted, but Max Widow Runner, that's his name on Instagram, but Max just put on the suspension. We got the King's lift with the 3-inch with the leaf springs, the Expedition leaf springs, and we also have the new upper control arm. So right now, just super excited because it's finally done. We got the alignment done, everything is finished fully, and I didn't do an intro for this, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm just gonna do like a collab of all of this. So as you guys saw, thank you guys so much, God bless. We are now heading on our way back to home, which is Washington State. So thank you everybody that was in Cali, God bless, and see you guys another time. Peace.